How to use your wild cards in Fantasy Premier League. So it's fairly simple. Log into the account that you want to use that wild card of yours and go to your transfers. So once you're in your transfers, you should be able to see if you have available wild cards directly in the top. And once you do see that as available, then you do have the option to use it. So go to this section over here. Once you press on next, I suppose you'll be able to see the transfers, and in the bottom left you can see the wild card available, and this as well. But that doesn't matter. All you have to do to pretty much use or activate the wild card is just press on this square where it says wild card available. It doesn't really look like a button, so I get the confusion. But once you press that, it's pretty much just gonna show a wild card active, and it's gonna automatically be in use. So just go ahead and confirm, and your wildcard will be already be active. So that's pretty much how you use or get your wildcard active in Premier League. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.